Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First of all, open your settings and then here scroll down and find Advanced Features option. Go into this option and here into this option find Screenshot and Screen Recorder. And here we got Screen Recorder block, so this option, Video Quality, need. And click for this option and you can change your video quality. For saving your option, need change, click, and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.